In this video I will show you click by click how to create a second YouTube channel just by using your phone. And if you want to start making money on YouTube, I will leave you a link in the description for my YouTube training where I show you step by step, even click by click, how to build a successful YouTube channel. There I'll reveal to you the steps that helped me to get over 100,000 YouTube subscribers, and I'm 100% sure that many of you who are going to start my YouTube program are going to have YouTube channels with over 100,000 subscribers as well over time. So if you want to make money on YouTube, check out the link in the description. But now we will also dive on the screen and I will show you two different ways how to build a second YouTube channel on phone. This is really easy. Even your 97-year-old grandmother could use these two strategies. Let me show you first one way and then I show you a second way, which is even easier one. So first you obviously start a YouTube app. So if you don't already have a YouTube app, you download it and then you come here. Then you click here on the top right corner. You will see your account here and then you click here simply add account. Then you check your info, verify it's you, and then you simply click here create account. Then you can put for myself or to manage my business. If you want to make money on YouTube, you obviously want to prefer this to manage my business, but if you just want to for yourself, then you can click here for myself. You give your first name and your last name. So let me just give you an example. My name is Roope Kiuttu. Then you give some basic information, so when you have born, what is your mail, and so then you click next. Then you need to choose a Gmail address, what kind of address you want to create. I create your own Gmail address. So let's create, for example, testroope@gmail.com. I copy it so I will remember and then we click next. Then you create a strong password. So I will create a password and I will click next. Then here it asks if you want to add a phone number to your account, and this step we can also skip here. So you simply click here step and then you review your account info. This is what we want to have. So testroope@gmail.com. I click here next, choose personalization settings. I want to use this express because it's faster. Then we scroll down. I click here confirm, privacy and terms. I agree. I have gone through this also before. You can of course read them by yourself, but I don't need to read it. Okay, so now the new account should be ready. You can see it automatically switched to our new account. You can see it here. We have testroope@gmail.com. That's how easy it is to create a second account using your phone, and there is even a more easier way that I will show you right now. If you like that I show you these easy ways to create your own YouTube channel and make even money on YouTube, remember to smash up that like button and share this video with your friends who want to make money on YouTube so they can start earning money as well. The second way is even easier. So you go to Google Chrome browser. As you can see right here, it's this Chrome browser where we are currently. You open this youtube.com and here is a trick. You click these three dots here and then a desktop site. Many people don't realize this. Now you will see in the same way like you would see on your computer. So this is, you can also do this on your computer if you want. And you can see my videos here where I teach how to make money online. Anyways, so you click here on the top right corner and here you scroll down, it says settings, and you will click that one. Then you scroll down here and you will see here view or change Google account. This one not. But we scroll up a little bit, you can see add or manage your channel. So we click this one right here. So you see here all the channels that we have on this specific email account. We have Roope Kiuttu and data is fun. So here we can create a channel. So I would click here create a channel and then we could create a new channel. So this would be new channel. I understand I'm creating a new Google account with its own settings. I would click here create and then it would have created our new account. So this is, as you can see, it takes us to a new screen. So it will be really awesome. And then you can type your name and you simply click here create channel and you will have again a new YouTube account. I have two tricks for this. First of all, I recommend that you always create a new account for new channel, because if YouTube bans one of your email addresses, if all of your channels are under that one email address, it may affect negatively all of those. So always when you create a new account, I recommend that you create a new Gmail address as well. So new email address, new account, one channel. So that's how it will be easy. And now if you want to learn step by step how you will be making money on YouTube, click the link in the description, join my program, and I will be more than happy to help you to start building a successful YouTube channel so you can also start earning money on this awesome platform called YouTube. You and me, my friend, we will see you inside immediately.